everyone. So before we begin with a quick unboxing and review, I received an email from the people at Earfun, and they told me that they have a special discount, a 10% off discount for these headphones, of these earphones. The code is earphone35. I'm gonna put it on the screen. The discounted price is $48.59 out of the regular $59.99, and it also has a coupon on Amazon that it lasts until the next month. So you better hurry to get the discount. Okay, let's begin the review. So hello everyone. We will be doing some quick unboxing of a interesting product, the Earfun Air. These are true wireless earbuds. It features superior sound with composite drivers, which means it has more than one driver. They don't say how many different drivers have. In-ear capacitive detection technology, which means that it'll detect when it's inside your ear or not. IPX waterproof with sweat shields, so you can make exercise with them. Enhanced for microphone for crystal clear call, wireless charging, 7-hour playtime plus 28 hours with the charging base, singer earbud mode, left or right, and they mention intuitive touch control. And I tested the touch control and it's pretty nice. So let's open this up. Taking a look at the box here, nice packaging. Is the little box with some instructions in several different languages. Quick reference card, and that's it for the documentation. This is the charging station. It's a little bit larger than the Apple AirPods, but it's quite nice. The earphones themselves, you can see immediately light up. There's a lot of light here where we are, so we can't really see real good, but there are the LEDs. And there's a little box on the lower side. Let's see what's inside. It's supposed to be the charging cable. There it is. Which is a USB-C, which is good. And also some spare ear tips of different sizes. It right now comes with a kind of a medium size, but it also comes with two smaller sizes, which make them pretty slim, and two larger sizes. The issue with using the very little ones is that they're more comfortable because it doesn't press in your ear, but the bass response is simply not there. So I tried and I ended up using the one after the smaller size, and that worked. Okay, now you can see them side by side. These are some Apple AirPods clones that I got out of China, and you can see that there's a distinctive difference in size. Definitely slimmer. I mean, the Apple ones are slimmer than the earphones, although they're not bad. I think it's a good size. You can see them here with the lid open. The earphones have the advantage that they stay up straight, while the Apple ones, you need to put it on the table, and if you put it on the table, it closes the lid automatically, so you can't keep the lid open if you're gonna put it on the table. That's one drawback of the Apple ones. Pretty nice, pretty small. Oh, here we're testing the wireless charging, putting on the wireless charger that I have on in my night table. You can see the red light blinking charging. Same with the Apple ones. Although these clones don't seem to light up the charging light on the charger itself. It only kind of lights it on the charging station, but not on the base. Kind of weird. So definitely wireless charging on the earphones is more reliable than this one over here. So sometimes trying to getting them out of the box is a it's an exercise because they don't have any sharp edges, so they don't have anything you can hold it easily, and you have to try it sometimes a couple times until you can get them out of the box. But overall, love the touch control. It's very responsive to the way that you can bring the volume up and not needing to cram it inside your ear canal. So, well, overall, I'm very satisfied with them. I'll be using them quite a lot for my daily walking. So I have one single issue with these earphones, and you can see here there are kind of two connectors there, and I was going out for my daily walk the other day and the right one stopped working. The little metal things that you see here at the top, I think it's a magnet to keep them in place, but deep down inside are the two prongs that connect to these charging ports. What I did, I had to spray some alcohol inside, and they just started working again. So that's the only issue that I have with those. But other than that, they're working flawlessly. So this is it, the Earfun Air, and thanks for watching.